Yes, student, we have to discuss about endosperm asked by Kamal. So, what is endosperm? That if you remember that at the time of triple fusion, that means here is the central cell in embryo sac and one male nuclei fuse with this and they form a, that means we can say triploid cell, and this triploid cell is known as PEN, that means primary endosperm nucleus. That means they form the primary endosperm nucleus, and after that this primary endosperm nucleus convert into the, we can say, endosperm. Then why this endosperm is required? Here this line that endosperm develop proceed, here the endosperm development proceed only, that means proceed embryo development, that means some amount of endosperm form before the development of embryo, because development of embryo required food and endosperm provide its food. Okay, so we, as we know that it is a triploid. Okay, how is triploid? That means because there is a fusion of a, we can say, two central nuclei and one male nuclei. So this PEN undergoes successive nuclear division and give rise to free nuclei. We are talking about the coconut, otherwise it will form the solid mass. So free nuclei will form the, at this stage this is known as free nuclear division. That means there is a nuclear is dividing 1 to 2, then 3, then 4, but there is no formation of cell wall around it. So there is a free nuclear endosperm. The water of coconut is we can say actually that is the endosperm. Okay, and the white kernel of the coconut also this endosperm. So we can say in coconut there are two type of endosperm. One is a, we can say that white kernel, and other is the water. That means the coconut water is also the endosperm and the white kernel part is also the endosperm. So function of endosperm is the, we can say, to provide food to developing embryo. Okay, and further we can divide them into seed. That means we can divide the seed into albuminous and X albuminous. Albuminous mean with endosperm and X albuminous mean without a endosperm, or also we can say that endospermic or non-endospermic. Okay, so this is about the endosperm. If you can see the diagram, or we can say a seed like in this part is the endosperm of monocot seed, and rest of part this is the embryo. So endosperm will provide the food, okay, for its future development. But if we talk about we can say in other case, or in case of dicot here that is not given, then there is no endosperm. But if we talk about this this is the seed of castor, and here we can say this is the endosperm. So this castor and this maize both are endospermic. That means endosperm is there, or we can say persist. This is the example of dicot, this is the example of monocot. But generally, in general, we say that most of that monocot है वो क्या है, एंडोस्पर्मिक है, और जो डाइकोट है वो क्या है, नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक है. बट दिस इज अ डाइकोट एंड वी कैन से एंडोस्पर्मिक. ये कुछ एग्जांपल से अलग भी हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द endosperm. Here we can say that mean endosperm. यहाँ question है कि why there is a endosperm development prior to the, we can say, embryo development, or we can say zygote become dormant for some time. तो zygote dormant इसलिए होता है कि वो जब embryo बनेगा तो उसको food की requirement होगी, and that will provide by the endosperm only. Okay. Now next is apomixis and polyembryony. One is apomixis, other is polyembryony. As the apomixis mean, that means there is a formation of seed without fertilization. That means formation of a seed without fertilization is known as we can say apomixis. Okay, that means there in some family like Astraceae and the glass family, there is a formation of seed without the fertilization. one term we earlier we have studied, that is a parthenocarpic. Parthenocarpic mean formation of fruit without fertilization. Apomixis mean formation of seed without fertilization is known as a apomixis. तो इसमें सिर्फ डेफिनेशन तक ही करना है आपको. Now another term is known as a polyembryony. As the name indicate, poly and other is the embryony. That means more than one embryo. Okay, so such type of condition is known as polyembryony. That means in some case of, like if you talk about in citrus and mango. So in citrus and mango, there are formation of a, we can say, occurrence of more than one embryo in, we can say, seed. This term is known as polyembryony. तो इसमें सिर्फ आपको डेफिनेशन करनी है कि what do you mean by this apomixis and what do you mean by this polyembryon. So apomixis mean formation of seed without fertilization, and polyembryo mean more than one embryo in a seed, as we can see in citrus or mango. Okay, so this is all about the apomixis and polyembryony and your एंडोस्पर्म. ओके, सो एंडोस्पर्म में पीएन ध्यान रखना है. पीएन के बाद वो कैसे करेगा, और ये क्या होगा, ट्रिप्लॉइड होगा. दैट मीन 3n होगा. व्हाई दिस 3n? बिकॉज देयर इज ए फ्यूजन ऑफ 2 सेंट्रल न्यूक्लियाई एंड 1 ए दैट मेल न्यूक्लियाई. तो ये सेल कैसी बन जाएगी, ट्रिप्लॉइड और 3n. ओके.